What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are staying green. Hope you guys are all having an amazing day. So I wanted to make this video because a bunch of my friends actually had this question about how to cancel an order onto Ameritrade. I'm here to give you guys some tips on how to cancel an order. And that means, guys, if you are looking to cancel an order, you guys are in the right place. However, if you guys' order went through, that means you guys now own shares of that particular company that you filled the order for. That means you guys are now looking to sell your shares. You guys are not looking to cancel an order because that means your order has already went through and it is not on the market currently. What we are doing is we're grabbing the order that you guys sent in and we're canceling that order, right? If the order already went through and you now own shares, you guys are looking to sell. We're just looking to cancel an order. If you guys are looking to sell, I have other videos like that on my channel, but for this video, we're just looking to cancel an order. So let's just for example, make an order right here. I'm going to buy some shares of a particular company. This is on my paper trading account, so don't mind the money or anything. This is all fake money. I don't think that this is real money. So let's just go ahead and click paper trade. All right, so it tells us our order was sent. So now, as you guys see on the first page here of orders, you guys can see that on the working tab, the most left-hand side, we have a working order. So what you guys want to do is you guys usually start on the watch list page. I want you guys to go ahead and click on orders for me. Once you guys are on that page, go to the workings tab. Once you guys are on there, there's going to be a list of orders you guys are working on, or maybe just one in particular that is currently ongoing. It's usually just one, so just click on the one that says working here and make sure it's the right ticker. You guys don't want to cancel an order that's currently ongoing that you guys want to use. So as you guys see here, the first option here is cancel order. And don't beat yourself up for this, guys. It is very tricky to find small things like this. So yeah, if you learn it once, you guys don't ever have to learn it again. You just go ahead and click cancel order. Are you sure you want to cancel the order? Yes, I'm 100% sure. And boom, as you guys see here, order for the cancel order for the the number of the order was sent. Close. And as you guys see here for the orders as working, no working orders currently. So yeah, that's all you guys need to do there. If you guys have any other questions, let me know down in the comments below. If you guys enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. And yeah, I hope you guys stay green, and peace out.